everybody, my name is Majiku, and yes, you see it right here, a new cat with a small tail, as you just saw. I named him Natsu, and he likes to put his butt in my face. Say hi to your fans, Natsu. Meow, meow. Get your butt out of the viewers' faces. Anyways, this is my new cat. I'm sure Ariel would be excited to know that. He's so cute. Get out of the camera. Okay. So apparently our new neighbors found him. We found the owner. She said that that I could have him because she has like 15 other cats, so she wouldn't miss him. So yeah. And I got him used to the name Natsu from Fairy Tail. So yeah. And sorry I have not been recording for a while. It's because my mom just actually yesterday got a new internet thing. So yeah. It's been a while. So yep, that's all I have for today. I am Majiku. Have a magical day.